Hi everyone! Welcome to Smart Mandarin Basics 12 English or Chinglish. 我是 Maggie, 你好吗？ If this is your first time to visit our channel, please subscribe. This is what we believe the best way to learn Mandarin. Teaching Mandarin in the UK became a wonderful journey for me to enhance my English and discover my mother tongue. And I realized how enlightening it can be to learn a foreign language. The well-known story Tower of Babel may illustrate how powerful language is. Such a vital force needs lots of attention to acquire knowledge for ourselves as well as interpreting others, especially when we just start to learn a language. In this session, we will look at 8 pairs of sounds that are either confused by some Chinese people or between Mandarin and English. I hope it will help us to understand each other better. We can also have some fun here. Now let's look at some paired words containing these sounds. Le and ne. Southern Chinese hardly use the nasal sound ne. Therefore, these common English words can be mixed. Life or knife. My English teacher used "May I borrow your knife?" or "May I borrow your life?" Draw my attention to get these sounds correct. Lock or knock. Nice or lice. Second pair is le and r. Fried rice, fried lice. Many Japanese also pronounce this way, fried lice. Third is v and w. There is no v in Mandarin, so therefore visit visa in Chinese will be visit visa. Number 4 is t and d. Tofu in Mandarin is 豆腐. Number 5 is p and b. Pound in Mandarin is 磅. Plump is 胖. 磅 or 胖. Number 6 is th versus s. Th in English has 2 sounds. First of all is th, and this is something we don't have it in Mandarin. Therefore, thank. Many Chinese people will say thank. Thief or thief. And one th pronounced as th, and we mixed with le. So there is le. The last pair I can think about is English sound sh, and we mix with Chinese xi. So she in Chinese we may pronounce as xi. I hope that these examples will remind us that when we communicate with each other, always double-check the meanings. And also, I hope you really have fun when you are learning a language. That's all for today. Want to move forward? My easy-to-follow textbook, Smart Mandarin for Beginners, is now available at eBay. All the lessons are recorded and uploaded on my YouTube channel, Smart Mandarin for Beginners. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a thumb up. 谢谢，再见. See you next time.